Hi, good morning. So today is, I will consider it a virgin case, although she had uh, no threads before 3 years or 4 years ago. So when I check on the patient, medyo parang, mukhang tunaw na. No, wala na yung mga threads na nilagay before. So I can consider this as a virgin case. So what I'm going to do is structural rhinoplasty. No? So we're going to put Gore-Tex on the bridge. We're going to put, most probably going to put osteomesh for the tip, to lift the tip. And get the cartilage from the ear. Lagay po natin sa tip para umangat po yung kanyang, mag-project yung kanyang tip. As I've said in my previous videos, I don't do much height of the tip. Masyadong mataas, hindi po tayo gumagawa niyan. Ano? Gusto ko po yung natural looking tip na pag nakita mo yung pasyente, hindi mo alam kung ginawa yung ilong or hindi. No? Kasi pag masyadong mataas, for Filipinos, no, hindi, siyempre wala namang Pilipino na talagang mataas na mataas yung tip. Asians, maski na medyo mahaluan tayo ng foreign blood, no? Hindi we don't have that much tip projection na pag nakita mo, alam mo na agad na ay gawa yung ilong niya, no? So, in my case, I always do yung natural looking nose. I always say not too high, not too low, no? Not too high tip, not too low bridge. So, yung tamang-tama lang para sa mukha ng pasyente. No, I'm also going to do chin augmentation, so rhino and chin augmentation. Sa tip, we put the cartilage. Dapat wag masyadong madami na cartilage because we don't want to have the cartilage show. No, yung sa previous videos, I'm always saying na yung nakikita natin yung cartilage diyan, no? Pag tumagal, minsan mga 2 years, 3 years, nakikita natin may cartilage show. Lalo na for patients with thin skin, yung maninipis ang balat. I think I mentioned that in my previous videos. No? So, I'll see you at the OR. Thank you po. Good afternoon. We're done with our procedure, Gore-Tex rhinoplasty with chin augmentation. No, you can see very natural. No, sabi ko nga palagi, no, hindi natin masyadong pinapataas yung tip, no? Kasi lalo na pag thin yung skin ng patient. Kasi in time, nagkakaroon ng cartilage show dun sa tip. So, dito po, you can see not too high, not too low. No? Yan yung palagi ko sinasabi. So, you can see the tip is not too high, the bridge is not too high. So, just enough for the face of the patient. Then, you also did chin augmentation para mag-harmonize yung kanyang face. No? Kasi pag rhinoplasty ka, at medyo maiksi yung mandible, yung chin, hindi mag-harmonize yung face. So we did
rhinoplasty and chin augmentation. So, sa follow-up po, titignan natin siya. Thank you. See you.